In a distant future, Earth was on the brink of collapse. Environmental disasters plagued the planet, rising temperatures, dwindling resources, and unbreathable air made life increasingly unbearable. Wars erupted over what little resources remained, and as nations fell, humanity realized it had only one option: leave Earth behind. The world's remaining leaders formed a unified council and called upon the brightest minds to solve the greatest challenge: finding a new world. They designed massive space arcs, capable of carrying millions of people, loaded with everything needed to survive the journey. Yet finding a habitable planet wasn't easy. The closest candidate was a distant star system light. Years away, even with advanced technology, the journey would take generations. As the arcs launched, Earth was already dying. The blue oceans turned murky brown forests withered, and great cities lay in ruin. The ships left Earth. This atmosphere in the final moments before the planet itself became uninhabitable. Humanity was now adrift in space, leaving their ancestral home behind for good. On board, the Ark's life continued. Entire generations were born in the cold void of space, never knowing what it was like to walk under Earth's sky. Society on the ships evolved, as did the tension between different factions vying for control over resources, power, and the future of their people. After centuries of searching, hope finally appeared when the first glimmer of a new star system came into view. There, a planet rich with water, oxygen, and abundant resources was waiting, an untouched world they named Nova Terra. A rush of excitement swept through the Arks as scouts and scientists confirmed that Nova Terra could indeed sustain human life. It was everything they had dreamed of. However, settling Nova Terra was not without its challenges. The planet, while beautiful and abundant, was home to strange and mysterious life forms. The first expeditions sent to explore its surface met with unforeseen dangers, some from the indigenous ecosystems and others from within the human factions still divided after centuries in space. Old conflicts reignited and new ones emerged as settlers vied for control over this new home. Despite these challenges, humanity persevered over time. The planet was tamed, and settlements flourished. On Nova Terra, a new society was born, one determined to learn from the mistakes of their ancestors on Earth. They rebuilt, vowing to live in harmony with the planet and each other. As the first rays of Nova Terra's twin suns rose over the horizon, casting golden light across the verdant valleys and blue oceans, the last remnants of humanity finally found peace. The story of Earth became a distant memory, but its lessons would never be forgotten. Humanity, once lost and wandering the stars, had finally found its new home.